I got monetized on YouTube after producing consistent content for 5 months. And my biggest regret, the thing I want to share with you is that if you're thinking about starting on YouTube, don't wait. Get started. That is my biggest regret. I had imposter syndrome. I didn't think I was going to be good enough. I thought it was going to be embarrassing to post videos. So I waited and waited and waited. And I post finance videos and I saw a lot of finance channels that were really big. And I didn't think that I would be able to talk the way that they talk or produce videos or edit videos or anything like that. I don't have any training in video production. So I didn't do it. And now I'm monetized. And the biggest regret I have is just that I waited so long and didn't believe in myself. So believe in yourself. And if you're thinking about getting started on YouTube, get started. You literally have nothing to lose. I'm going to share everything with you, every single detail, every piece of my analytics, and then a few of the tools that I use as a complete amateur that allow me to do all of this recording and editing and everything like that myself. All right, so what we're looking at is March 1st to September 3rd, 2022. That's this timeline. And what I want to show you, we're looking at views. Over that period, I've had 78,600 views. This just is crazy to me, and that's not a lot of views compared to these massive channels you see out there. But that's 78,000 people that have chosen to click on my videos and watch them, or bots, whatever. But the fact that I can reach 78,000 people while I have a full-time job, while I have a family from my home office recording videos is remarkable. And what this graph down here shows is just how these views are growing over time on a daily basis. And what this gives me, and also what I've learned so far, is it gives me the confidence to know if I could just stick with this and keep it up and stay consistent and get 1% better every week with the quality of my content, that this 78,000 views is going to grow to 1 million views, and then 2 million views, and then 3 million views. It's going to take time, but I'm confident after what I've learned so far that I could do it and I can get there, and I think you can too. So this was the first day that I posted a video, the first of my consistently posting videos, March 10th of 2022. I had 137 views that day. And let's jump to a few spots over this time, right? On April 15th, I had a pretty popular video apparently that got me 1,200 views. That's amazing. On April 29th, I got 1,000 views. And then I really didn't hit that high point again on a single day until until July 30th, 2022, 1,700 views. So what happened here is that I didn't hit that high point. For whatever reason, I posted a popular video on this day and on this day and just missed the mark, or I'm learning and learning how to title videos and do thumbnails and get people to watch them. And I didn't hit that high mark on a single day, but over time I was posting videos consistently enough that I was still growing views on a monthly basis. And now I'm hitting a higher mark on average per day, every single day, than I was before. You know, you see this low mark here. Well, right now the low mark is pretty much around 600 views per day. So I'm still learning, and by no means have I made it. I have a ton to learn. But I think I'm going to keep getting better at producing content that people want to see, and I think these view numbers will go up. Okay, and the basics, just to get started, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a single year. And so I got the subscribers first, and then it took me a while to get up to the 4,000 watch hours, and it felt like I was never going to get there. But now I'm to a point where I'm getting over 1,000 watch hours per month. And so it compounds quickly. All right, and here's the revenue number. Everybody wants to know, how much did you make? I made $122 so far. My first month being monetized, the month of August, I made $113. And now in September, it's September 3rd or 4th, I am at almost $10 already. So I think September is going to be bigger than August, and I would hope that these months continue to grow on top of each other. And here you could tell I was making 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then all of a sudden, my first day getting monetized, $3.58, okay? My best day so far, I made $8.10 in a single day on Saturday, August 20th. And now on average, I'm making probably, $3 to $5 per day. Over the last 28 days, the playback-based CPM, cost per 1,000 views, is $13.14. YouTube keeps a portion of that, and of that $13.14, I keep $5.86. Now, I'm in the investing and finance niche. I think it's one of the higher ones. I'm still learning about this, and I'm sure there's ways I can improve this over time, and it'll get up. It also depends on demand for advertising, and so it goes up and down based on the economy and demand. And I think we're kind of at a low right now. But you can see I'm actually sort of staying closer to the $15 mark right now. And so hopefully I'm onto something. Hopefully I'm learning something here and can keep that CPM. Ideally, it'd be cool to keep it above $15. We'll see. And again, it looks like the RPM is potentially going up a little bit. Again, we'll see to $7. It would be cool if I can keep that around $7 or $8 revenue per 1,000 views. And this is the thing that kind of like blows my mind, right? Is that Ali Abdaal, who is an awesome YouTuber and just business person and human. I've talked to him a couple times. He just seems like a great person. He helped me see this. He said that every video he produces is almost like a business in itself or a product in itself that produces revenue. And it's pretty amazing when you give yourself the credit and you think about yourself as a business or as a business person, and you think about the content you're producing as real revenue and real business. And so each video, this is showing me what each video is earning. And the cool thing is that, you know, these videos, after I produce them, are still earning a little bit of money every single day as people find the channel and view the videos and they get recommended. And that's so cool. It's the true definition of passive income. You produce a video, it takes time and effort to produce, but then you benefit from more and more people watching it over time when you don't have to do anything else, okay? So this is my top earning video, 3 stocks that I'm buying after Powell crashed the market, $14.54. Another one, I bought $10,000 of Rocket Lab stock and earned about $13.40. My $98,000 portfolio just crashed $10,000, earned $10.71. This is the ad types that they're running in my videos. And when you produce a video, it allows you to pick kind of what advertisements you offer. I just pick all of them. But skippable video ads, 77.8%. Display ads, 9%. Non-skippable video, 7.4%. Bumper ads, 5%. And then unknown. Revenue sources, most of it is from ads, but premium people, I guess, that watch the videos and don't have ads, I earn $6 from them. This will be interesting to watch over time, as it'll be like an indicator of how much premium is growing for YouTube, how this increases in comparison to the ad revenue over time. And let's take a look here. Over the last 28 days, I got 21,700 views, which is 13,500 more than usual. I would love for this number to increase 10 to 20% every month. That compounding turns into a really big number over time. 248,000 impressions. That's just the amount of people that saw my thumbnails. And then of those people that saw my thumbnails, 6.3% clicked them. That's the click-through rate. And then the average view duration is 4 minutes and 37 seconds. If you produce content out there, I'd just love to know, like, hey, what is your average view duration? What's your CPM and what niche are you in? Either send me an email or drop it in the comments. And I'm still learning about all this stuff, and it's fascinating to me. And this is one of the coolest things about producing content on YouTube for people that also have a Twitter following or an email list or whatever. It is a differentiated set of followers, a different audience, because YouTube is so amazing for search and discoverability. This is why I like YouTube way better than Instagram or better than TikTok for my own purposes, for, you know, the finance niche, which is what I'm in. 44% of my views came from browse, which is if people are just at the homepage of YouTube and the video gets recommended or it's in their feed somehow. YouTube search would be them searching for a term and finding my channel. Channel pages, this is from my own channel page. Suggested videos at the that are suggested after other videos, direct or unknown, and then others. All right, and now I just want to show you something. I want to show you why you should just get started and not be embarrassed. Your first videos are going to be bad. They're going to look bad. You're going to be embarrassed by them. And they're just not going to get a lot of views. And I have this organized from oldest to newest. I just look at these old videos. I had no idea what I'm doing. I still don't, but I use Canva. So I don't know how to do photo editing or anything like that. So I just use Canva and try to do it from there. I started off by having kind of like half the screen with text and then half with me. I had some goofy glasses on thinking maybe people would click on that. You just have to test things. And here's the old videos, right? And I started out with 300 views on this video, 150 views. It's actually pretty good for no followers or no subscribers. I had hair. You can see I had hair back then. And then I moved to having my background in it and the text on the screen, which seems to be working well. I'd love to know if you like text on the screen or text down the middle. and half a screen, like what's easiest for you. I got a haircut, and here's how the channel has evolved over time, right? And I mean, I had some decent videos in here, 1,000 views about Amazon. You can see like everything I talk about Amazon seems to be a popular video, right? Cloudflare I talked about, that got 1,000 views. Then I went back to trying these, and none of these got any views hardly, except for this Rocket Lab one. So again, look, I'm still learning here, and I'm not an expert. The best thing I can say is watch some videos about how to do thumbnails on YouTube. There's some great channels and free content. I use Canva to do it. I do pay for it, but it's like $100 a year or something like that. And then test things on your own and see what works. You're gonna find something over time that works for you, and none of the crap is gonna matter that didn't work in the beginning. It's just lessons learned. And the best thing you can do is learn to get started. And then I went on a good run here. I mean, now, so something happened here, some type of inflection point. And so I think I'm on the right path. 3,200 views on this one, 2,000 views, 1,000 views, 2,800 views, 1,000. So, you know, getting more consistent with the views up there. And then this gets us to my most recent videos, right? And I still have some that are 300 views or 476, 161. I tried this credit card rewards one. I posted it this weekend, so maybe it's because it was on the weekend, but you know, the feedback for me there is like, hey, no one watched this thing. I mostly talk about investing stuff. Maybe I should just stick to investing stuff. We'll see. The last tool is a thing called Tubebuddy, which really helps finding keywords and topics to do. You put the topic in, and it tells you, like if I do Amazon stock, it tells you the overall score for that keyword, the search volume, and basically whether or not like people would even watch your video if you made it. I don't always stick to this, but it's definitely helpful. And for some reason, even though I've done Amazon videos, I don't come up as a top ranking in the search. But I've buddy here and started interacting with him on Twitter. He's a really nice guy. I like his channel a lot too, Staccato. Sorry if I pronounced that channel name wrong. He's got two. Brian Feroldi's a friend. Joseph Carlson. I've never met him. I would love to actually, Joseph, if you ever watch this, not that you will, would love to talk to you. I love your channel. I have some friends that actually watch your channel in the guard, and so would love to talk to you about that too. They just like your approach. And I think you're really doing a great job with transparency out there. Anyways, there's all kinds of stuff that Tubebuddy does. You can get tag words and keywords and all that stuff. And again, then to record, I had no idea how to edit or record. I just use StreamYard. It's super easy. It's not the highest quality, but it works for me. So those are really the only three tools that you need. Canva, which you could do without Canva really, but Canva, StreamYard, and then I use Tubebuddy for keywords. I bought some lights off Amazon, which I still need to work on lighting. I have a camera. I still need to learn about editing. You can film from your phone. There's all kinds of barriers and restrictions you'll make for yourself and excuses if you don't want to get started. But if you truly want to get started, record your first video today or tomorrow. Not tomorrow, today. Record it today, post it to YouTube. You will not regret it.